Dropshipping Business Guide, step by step. Are you looking to start an online business but don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step guide to starting your own dropshipping business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your store, find the best products, and start making sales. So, let's get started. What is dropshipping? First, let's talk about what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without ever stocking them yourself. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles inventory and shipping for you. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This means you don't need to worry about warehousing, packing, or shipping. Sounds great, right? But how do you actually start?
Dropshipping Business Guide, Step by Step. Intro. Visual presenter standing in front of a desk with a laptop or animated text intro. Presenter. Are you looking to start an online business but don't want to deal with inventory or shipping? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete step-by-step guide to starting your own dropshipping business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your store, find the best products, and start making sales. So, let's get started. What is dropshipping? 1. Content 3. Visual, animated infographic showing the dropshipping process. Presenter. First, let's talk about what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without ever stocking them yourself. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles inventory and shipping for you. Here's how it works. You set up an online store and list products. When a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a supplier. The supplier ships the product directly to the customer. This means you don't need to worry about warehousing, packing, or shipping. Sounds great, right? But how do you actually start? Step 1. Choosing your niche. List of popular dropshipping niches. Before you create your store, you need to choose a profitable niche. A niche is a specific market segment you'll focus on. The right niche can make or break your business. Tips for choosing a profitable niche. Pick a niche with high demand, e.g., pet products, fitness, tech gadgets. Make sure there's a target audience willing to buy. Avoid overly competitive markets unless you have a unique angle. Use tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, and Facebook Audience Insights to research trends. Now that you've chosen your niche, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Finding reliable suppliers. AliExpress, Spocket, and SaleWho. The next step is finding reliable suppliers. You want suppliers that offer high-quality products, fast shipping, and good customer service. Best platforms to find suppliers. AliExpress. Best for beginners, thousands of suppliers. Spocket. Offers US and EU suppliers for faster shipping. SaleWho. A paid directory of verified suppliers. Before choosing a supplier, order sample products to test the quality. This ensures your customers receive good products, which helps your business grow. Or step 3. Setting up your online store. Visual, screen recording of setting up a Shopify store. Now, it's time to create your online store. The easiest platform for dropshipping is Shopify because it's beginner-friendly and has all the tools you need. Steps to set up your Shopify store. Sign up on Shopify.com and choose a store name. To pick a clean professional theme like Debitify or Booster. Install the DSers app to import products from AliExpress. Customize your homepage, product pages, and checkout settings. Or set up payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe. Once your store is set up, you're ready to start adding products. Step 4. Adding and pricing your products. Now let's add products to your store. Here's how you can do it step by step. Import products. Use DSers for AliExpress or Spocket for US-EU suppliers. Write compelling product descriptions. Highlight benefits, not just features. Use high-quality images. Avoid pixelated or stolen photos. Set competitive prices. Use the 2.5x rule. Cost x 2.5 to ensure profit. Remember, a well-optimized product page can significantly increase conversions. Step 5. Marketing your dropshipping store. Facebook Ads Manager, Instagram influencers, TikTok trends. Your store is ready, but how do you get customers? Here are the best marketing strategies for dropshipping. Best marketing strategies. Facebook and Instagram ads. Run targeted ads to your ideal customers. TikTok marketing. Create viral product videos. Influencer marketing. Partner with influencers to promote your products. SEO and blogging. Rank your store on Google for organic traffic. A combination of paid ads and organic marketing will give you the best results. Step 6. Handling orders and customer service. Shopify orders page and customer chat support. When you start getting orders, you need a smooth system for fulfillment and customer service. Fulfilling orders. Use DSers or AutoDS to process orders automatically. Customer service. Respond to inquiries quickly via email or live chat. Handling refunds and returns. Clearly state your refund policy and resolve complaints professionally. Great customer service builds trust and leads to repeat buyers. Conclusion and final tips. Presenter wrapping up with key takeaways on screen. And that's it. Now you know the complete step-by-step process to start your own dropshipping business. Quick recap. Choose a profitable niche. Find reliable suppliers. Set up your Shopify store. Add and price your products. Market your store effectively. Provide excellent customer service. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But with the right strategies and persistence, you can build a successful online business. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Now go out there and start building your dropshipping empire! This script is designed to keep viewers engaged while providing valuable insights. You can add animations, transitions, and on-screen text to make the video more dynamic. Let me know if you need any modifications. Dropshipping Business Guide. Step by step. Understanding dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products without holding inventory. Instead, you partner with suppliers who fulfill orders on your behalf. This business model minimizes risk and upfront costs, making it attractive for beginners. Do choosing your niche. Selecting the right niche is crucial. A good niche has high demand, low competition, and healthy profit margins. Research trending products. Identify your target audience and ensure there's a steady market for your chosen items. Conducting market research. Analyze competitors. Assess pricing strategies and use tools like Google Trends, AliExpress, or Amazon bestsellers to determine popular products. Understanding your competition will help you position your store effectively. Finding reliable suppliers. Partnering with reliable suppliers ensures product quality and timely shipping. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Spocket connect you with dropshipping suppliers. Communicate with suppliers to test their reliability before committing. Creating your online store. Choose an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Set up your store with a user-friendly interface, clear product descriptions, and a seamless checkout process. Designing a professional website. A well-designed store increases customer trust. Use a clean layout, high-quality product images, and persuasive copywriting. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly and optimized for conversions. 7. Adding products to your store. Import products from your suppliers using automation tools like Deskripsi or Oberlo. Optimize product titles, descriptions, and images to make them appealing to potential buyers. 8. Setting competitive pricing. Pricing is essential for profitability. Consider factors such as product costs, shipping fees, and competitor pricing. Use psychological pricing strategies to encourage purchases. 9. Setting up payment gateways. Ensure smooth transactions by integrating payment options such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit card payments. A seamless checkout experience boosts customer satisfaction and trust. 10. Developing a marketing strategy. Promote your store through social media, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing. A well-planned marketing strategy drives traffic and increases sales. 7. Running paid advertising campaigns. Facebook ads, Google ads, and Instagram promotions are effective for driving targeted traffic. Start with a small budget, analyze results, and optimize your ads for better conversions. Utilizing social media marketing. Leverage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your products. Engaging content and influencer partnerships can boost brand visibility and attract customers. Team. Implementing SEO techniques. Optimize your website and product pages for search engines. Use relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and high-quality content to improve organic rankings and drive free traffic. D. Managing customer service. Excellent customer service enhances customer loyalty. Respond promptly to inquiries, handle complaints professionally, and provide clear shipping and return policies. Team. Handling orders and shipping. Automate order fulfillment using supplier integrations. Monitor shipping times and provide tracking updates to customers to maintain transparency and trust. 16. Monitoring performance and analytics. Track sales, website traffic, and conversion rates using tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. Data-driven decisions help improve your marketing and sales strategies. 17. Scaling your dropshipping business. Once you have a profitable store, scale up by expanding your product range, increasing your ad budget, and exploring new markets. Consider automating processes to streamline operations. Team. Managing refunds and returns. Establish clear return policies and communicate them to customers. Work with suppliers who offer hassle-free return solutions to maintain customer satisfaction. 19. Avoiding common dropshipping mistakes. Common pitfalls include unreliable suppliers, poor customer service, and inadequate market research. Stay informed about industry trends and continuously optimize your store. Number 20. Staying updated with e-commerce trends. The dropshipping landscape evolves constantly. Keep learning, follow industry blogs, and adapt to new trends to stay ahead in the competitive e-commerce market.